Hello dear friends, this is Upasna Kamar and welcome to you all on my channel, that is Saraswati Vigyan Classes. Today I am here with the topic of 10th class NCERT Science Book Lesson 1. The name of the lesson is Chemical Reaction and Equations. This is our last topic regarding the lessons. The topic is chemical equations. I have already told you beta, equations mean writing the elements in their symbolic form. For example, when magnesium burn in the presence of oxygen, it will form magnesium oxide as a product. Now, balance chemical equation. Balance chemical equation means, try to understand this. Balance chemical equations means where the concentration of reactant elements is equal to the product is called balanced chemical equation. We shall understand with the help of example, don't worry. Why we need to balance chemical equation? As we have already discussed in 9th class. Which law? The law of conservation of mass. That is, mass cannot be created or nor be destroyed during chemical equation. It means that total mass of the element present in the product of a chemical reaction has to be equal to the reactant. Don't worry, we shall understand with the help of example. For example, these are some chemical equations. I shall tell you how to balance the equation. Here between magnesium plus oxygen makes MgO2. I have written here 2. I have written it to balance the equation. Try to understand how we can balance the chemical equations. You have to count the number of element in left hand side and right hand side accordingly, just as I have done here. Here magnesium is 1. Before balancing, magnesium is 1, oxygen is 2, and here magnesium is 1, oxygen is 1. Now to balance it, I have multiply it with 2 and this also with 2. This magnesium also with 2. Oxygen पहले O2 है, ऑक्सीजन के कितने एलिमेंट्स हैं? 2 elements of oxygen and here single element of oxygen. I have multiplied it with 2. Now you will write this here. For example, magnesium you multiplied by 2 and oxygen you multiplied by 2. Okay. Now your equation is balanced. कैसे? How? देखो मैग्नीशियम के 2 हैं, इधर भी 2 है मैग्नीशियम के. अब जो ये वाला इसके जो आगे लिखा जाता है, इट काउंट विथ बोथ. गेटिंग मी? दोनों के साथ इसको आप काउंट करोगे बेटा. गेटिंग मी? फॉर एग्जाम्पल जिंक, Zn जिंक, जिंक प्लस H2SO4, जिंक सल्फेट प्लस H2. You can pause the video and try to do it yourself. Firstly, try to balance the oxygen and hydrogen. Zinc 1, zinc 1, H2 equal sulfur 1. But firstly, you should know the elements. I am repeating again and again because this difficulty comes to me during the examination. This is not SO. This is sulfur. This is oxygen. This is hydrogen. Now sulfur 1, here sulfur what? 1. ठीक है. Oxygen 4. This equation is balanced equation. This equation is balanced equation. Getting me beta? Pause the video, try to do it yourself. It is very interesting. Take the next example. Fe, that is ferrous, plus H2O, it makes Fe3O4 and H2. Now I can show you it on rough side, left hand side and a right hand side. Left hand side, pause the video and count it yourself. Fe equal to beta 1. Or now hydrogen equal to 2, oxygen equal to 1, and Fe equal to how? 3. How much? And oxygen equal to beta how much? 4. Getting me? Hydrogen equal to 2. अब ये 2 ये मैंने बाद में लिखा इसको बैलेंस करके. गेटिंग मी? फेरस को मैं आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3. व्हेन आई शैल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 3 तो इधर भी 3. यू कैन इट इज़ इक्वल बेटा 3 3. ओके. ऑक्सीजन 4. फॉर दिस आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई ऑक्सीजन विद 4. तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए आपको इसको आगे से इसको ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है इसी 4. और हाइड्रोजन के कितने हो रहे हैं? 4 2 जा 8. 4 2 जा 8. 2 2 जा 4. ठीक है. 4 2 जा 8. 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो इसको आप. ये 4 2 जा 8. नाउ इट इज़ बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशंस. 4 2 जा 8. 4 2 जा 8. ऑक्सीजन के 4. ऑक्सीजन के 4. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट बेटा. अब देयर आर सम इक्वेशंस विच टेक्स प्लेस एट स्पेसिफिक टाइम. एग्जाम्पल मतलब कंडीशंस देनी पड़ती है हमें कई बार किसी को हीट करना पड़ता है. देन इक्वेशन टेक्स प्लेस है ना. फॉर एग्जांपल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्लस हाइड्रोजन. इफ़ वी अप्लाई 340 एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर इट विल फॉर्म CH3OH. ओके. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल you can take screenshot of this question. It is your NCERT books में question number 4 I think. हाँ, you can take screenshot or you can do it yourself. It will definitely bring you 1 marks. So this is my what I want to tell you about lesson first beta. I hope you understand it and you shall get knowledge. If you like my video, I request you to share it, to like the channel and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my next coming videos. And I also invite some suggestion from your point of view so that I can improve my videos, my content. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.